Hello guys, welcome to Libra Philippines. Ayan. So, if you want to book a personal reading guys, kay Jing Tarot Trader na lang kayo magpunta sa Facebook niya. Or, meron din naman ako astrological reading, tarot reading, palm reading, possible din. Kung makakabili ka ng bracelet doon sa aking TikTok shop na meron noon. But of course, ngayon pa lang sinasabi ko sa inyo, if you are willing to wait, kasi pwedeng tumagal ng a week, no? Pagka-receive ninyo yung bracelet. Or even more pa yung reading kasi medyo busy po ako ngayon. And, yeah, sa mga hindi nakakalam, I do have, by the way, ito yung aming TikTok shop, Unipri. And if you're interested, meron din ako restaurant, Jelly's Restaurant. Ayan, i-promote ko lang sa Naga Road, Las Piñas. Pwede ka pumunta doon kung gusto mo akong makita. And let's start. This is for the sign of Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Kunin natin yung main energy mo. What's with Libra? Ayan. Ito lang kunin ko yung mga nalaglag. Two of Pentacles, Nine of Cups, the Sun, and the Ten of Wands. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Pentacles. Okay. Your main energy. By the way, love reading to guys ha. Dami mong responsibilidad, dami mong ginagawa. You're so busy. Dami mong obligasyon. Some of you could be a breadwinner or maybe marami ka lang talagang ginagawa ngayon. Nine of Cups, I feel like a lot of people or family nakasuporta sa kung ano man yung mga priorities mo ngayon. Whatever you are focusing right now, kung nasaan man yung iyong you hover the sun. So, kung nasaan man yung sun mo, yung sun is where the sun is shining, you know, kung ito ay focus ka sa pamilya, okay? So, nandyan din yung suporta ng mga tao sa paligid mo dyan, sa family mo. If your focus is nasa work, career, nandyan din yung suporta ng mga taong ito sa'yo. Maybe, yung iba nakakagulat nga, no? Kasi maybe in the past, tinry mong protektahan, tinry mong wag pansinin, or tinry mong itago itong mga bagay na ito. But then, nung malaman nila, nung makita nila, after a couple of weeks or months, andyan na sila, nakasuporta na rin sila. Isa na rin sila sa nagpo-protect or nakatingin dito sa bagay na ito na pinagfo-focusan mo. So, let's move on to the side of your person. To the side of your person, please, guys, angel guides. Sino tong person nakakonect ni Libra? Person nakakonect ni Libra, please, spirit guides, angel guides. Person nakakonect ni Libra. Sino tong person nakakonect ni Libra? You go over the Star, the Ace of Cups, and the Ace of Swords. Bottom of the deck, meron ka dito the Empress. Itong taong ito, with the Star and the Ace of Cups and the Ace of Swords, mahal ka nitong taong to eh. Lagi ka niya iniisip. The Star, pangarap ka niya. You're his or her wish fulfillment. The Empress is here. Malaki ang paghanga sa'yo nitong taong to. Sobrang ina-admire ka nito. Could be a new person. The Four of Swords is here. Especially if you are this person na meron ka mga kina-cut off sa iyong diet. Maybe you're focusing on your health, your, your, maybe may mga skincare kang ginagamit sa mukha mo na, kasi a person here na minamahal niya ang kanyang sarili, and this could be you, no? And then, na-attract mo tong taong to lalo. But, I feel like hindi naman siya yung dahilan ko ba't mo ginagawa yan. You're just doing it for yourself. And then, itong taong to, sobrang, kinikilig siya, no? Nakakita ko na person na may mga nakikita siya sa'yo, maybe through your post, through your messages, pwedeng ganun. Or whatever you do here, kinikilig tong taong to. Ace of Cups, there's a lot of love. So, ano yung mga emotions ninyo sa isa't isa? For the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa. King of Swords, the World, and the Seven of Pentacles. Nakikita natin yung emotion mo ay pwedeng wala kang pakialam. Wala kang pakialam sa kanya, pwedeng ganun. Maybe there's distance between the two of you, or with the world you're being, you feel like you're complete. Okay ka lang naman, parang ganun. And I can see plants here. I don't know if you're a plantito, or maybe kumikita ka through something na nag-grow, okay, or dumadami, like maybe poultry, mga ganon, mga or piggery, yung ganon, or plants, literal, pwedeng dumadami, nag-grow, and maybe you're earning from this, or maybe you're just a plantito, okay, or recently may mga binili kang halaman, and this could be a reading. But anyway, you're focusing on yourself. And the Seven of Pentacles, this is a very grounded energy, and walang movement. And you're just focusing on whatever you have, your resources, your people, alam mo yun, yung mga tao sa paligid mo, na doon ang focus mo. And yeah, you're just doing this, the Empress. You're just loving yourself, focusing on yourself. Ano emosyon ng taong ito sa'yo? Anong emosyon ng taong ito sa'yo? A Six of Pentacles, sabi ko nga, ina-admire ka niya. Pero, I can see the Devil here. This could be a Capricorn. You could be dealing with a Capricorn or a Scorpio. Or meron siyang Capricorn or Scorpio sa kanyang chart, especially the Sun, Moon, and Rising. Anyway, dahil makikita mo yung costumes dyan, and to me, it is showing as emotions niya and thoughts niya or isipan niya. And also, siya mismo, pwedeng hindi siya nagiging totoo sa'yo with the Six of Pentacles. So, emotions niya is the Knight of Cups. There's a lot of love at interest, pagkagusto dito sa taong to. But this person, hindi siya nagiging honest kung ano talaga yung gusto niya mangyari. You have the King of Cups. Yeah, there's a lot of love mula dito sa taong to. Ina-admire or talagang gusto ka niya. This person is manifesting you. And with the Temperance, this person pwede naghihintay siya na magkaroon ng Nine of Swords. This is weird, pero hindi para sa lahat. Some of you naghihintay siya na magkaroon ng problema. What will happen in the near future for the both of you? Ace of Pentacles, the Fool, and the Nine of Swords. uh, in the near future, Three of Cups, the Two of Swords, and the Nine of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I mean, every signs are here naman. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, the Fool, I can see you taking a risk on something. I can say new beginning para sa'yo. And there's this Nine of Swords. Clarify the Nine of Swords. I mean, there's chaos, there's problem. And there's something na parang importante sa'yo, pero you need to let this go, or let this thing go. Parang kailangan mong tapusin or i-cut off, kailangan mong mag-take ng risk, no? Para makapag-focus dito sa new beginnings. But then, itong chaos na to, or problem na ito, or kung ano man ito, this would lead into this, the Lovers, which is a partnership, and the Strength card. Mas matibay na partnership, mas matibay na relationship, mas matibay na, I can see connection, communication, and I feel like a lot of passion here. So, pwedeng kailangan ng mangyari ito ng chaos na ito or problem na ito para magkaroon ng mas better, like, para siyang a blessing in disguise. So, it's like, kailangan mo lang gawa ng effort itong something na ito for this new thing to come. The Three of Cups, I can see reconciliation or pagkikita, pagtatagpo, pagsasama sa inyo ng person na ito. It will be simple and happy kind of pagkikita. The Two of Swords, I can see this person na nagkakaroon ng pagdesisyon regarding sa kung ano yung gagawin niya, and I can see some of you pwede may kinalaman sa pagta-travel, may kinalaman sa kanyang sarili. Like, I can no longer hide this. Hindi ko na kayang itago. So, this person is going to reveal the Nine of Wands. Itong bagay na pwedeng nahirapan siyang honestly sabihin sa'yo. And the Page of Wands, there's this communication mula dito sa person na to. So, possible that this person pwedeng sabihin niya kung ano yung intention niya, and this is going to be pabigla-bigla. Magugulat ka din na during this period, bigla niya sasabihin, wherein bigla magtataka ka bakit niya ginagawa, bakit niya sinasabi. But you have no choice but to hear it, Pwedeng umamin sa'yo tong taong to. Okay? And this could be a new person, this could be a person na there's partnership in the near future sa inyong dalawa. Especially na you just learned how to trust the universe, to trust the process. And ayun, I can see expansion pagdating sa future sa'yo with this person. Anyway, thank you for watching. I love you all. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam PTV, Virgo Philippines, Libra Philippines, Water Sign Philippines. Again, if you want to check out itong aming TikTok shop, Unipri, TikTok shop po yan. I-search mo na lang doon. Diyan ka pwede makapagpa-reading sa akin. Or if possible, baka gusto mong i-check yung aking restaurant, Jelly's Restaurant. Yan, along Naga Road, Las Piñas. Ayan, near Watson's and Generica. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.